The assembly of the Actros Edition 2 embodies a statement of precision and efficiency. State-of-the-art robotics and automation are installed at leading-edge manufacturing facilities at Mercedes-Benz for the creation of each truck to exact specification. Firstly, the foundation of the truck is laid down, which includes its frame, axles, and suspension. This stage installs the principal structure components that give the truck its strength and stability. Then, the engine is being fitted onto the chassis of the truck by a specialized team of individuals, making sure that everything comes together seamlessly and efficiently. Once the engine is set onto the chassis, everything is fit together and tightened to make them fit together and work smoothly. The parts installed during this stage include the engine, transmission, and drivetrain components. It also requires proper alignment and mounting for reliable performance. The engine is coupled up with the Mercedes PowerShift 3 automated gearbox, which optimizes shifting for fuel efficiency and smooth driving dynamics. The gearbox has a predictive shifting strategy that uses data from the countless truck sensors and GPS to determine the optimal gear for any given situation. Then, the customized truck cabins are prepared according to the customizations that the customers ordered. All the exterior panels and dimensions of the interior panels are one of a kind and custom-made for every truck. These systems, however, are all the same, so the Mercedes standard of safety and comfort is upheld. Up to 40 new options for the vehicle's interior and exterior combine with design elements from the first edition to give the second edition an unmistakable character that sets it apart from the other models in the internationally successful Actros range. This makes it a truck with a genuine wow factor. The engineers use machines to carry the dashboard over to the truck to fit it onto the front panel of the cabin. The hydraulic machine helps in precisely positioning the dashboard in position so that it can be fitted on properly. The machine also holds it in place while the engineer puts on the primary bolts to hold it in place before fine-tuning it with specialized tools. After the dashboard, the rest of the interior is put into its respective places, which includes the curtains on the windows, the seat belts, the assembly for the blinkers, and steering wheel. The dashboard is a digital dashboard, also known as the multimedia cockpit, that provides real-time information and control of the various vehicle systems. It includes 2 high-resolution displays that show navigation, vehicle status, and entertainment options. The system is also compatible with various apps and services, allowing drivers to stay connected. After the interior is done, the cabin is transported across the factory to an assembly line where all the other parts are screwed and placed onto the body of the truck, including side mirrors, external air vents and panels, electric wiring, cameras, lights, etc. After this, the interior is examined and it is made sure that everything has been installed according to the specifications. Next, the team ensures the availability of safety stickers on the frame of the truck and the doors. The mirror cam system replaces the traditional side mirrors with high-resolution cameras, resulting in increased visibility and reduced blind spots. The cameras provide a much wider field of vision and automatically adapt to different lighting and weather conditions to enhance safety in various driving situations. Exterior highlights include exclusive sidewall decals with a star pattern, Edition 2 lettering in the lacquered sun visor, the Actros emblem in front, Actros lettering on the upper side of the cabin's back wall, as well as 4 additional LED spotlights in the sun visor and 3 LED working lights behind the cabin. After this has been ensured, the seats are carried into the cabin using hydraulic machines and placed on the predetermined slots cut out for them on the floor of the cabin. The team then adjusts them according to the truck and bolts them in place and makes sure that the seat is fully functioning. After this, the team installs the doors and tests them to make sure that the doors are aligned perfectly with the cavity and do not overlap with the sheet metal of the body to ensure that the door closes properly. Then, the interior mirror is screwed on just inside the door. Next, the aesthetics of the truck are completed, with all the emblems and letterings being placed on the front grille of the truck. The front grille is then hooked onto the front panel and tightened to make sure it operates properly. Then, the assembly takes the truck forward to another team, which ensures that everything under the front grille and the body of the truck is connected and wired properly. The cab and cargo area are assembled and attached to the chassis. The cab is equipped with all necessary controls, displays, and comfort features, while the cargo area is prepared for various configurations, such as a box, flatbed, or tanker. The truck is then placed onto the chassis and the engine is connected to the steering column, and the suspensions are installed in the front, and every other component of the truck is wired and connected accordingly. Next, the wheels are installed onto the chassis and the connection to the illuminated Edition 2 sign plate is connected from the outside. On the exterior, the top front grille is attached onto the truck's cabin, labeled with the Edition 2 letterings. The rear of the cabin is also cleaned, and then the Actros lettering is put up after precise measuring. After this, the iconic Mercedes-Benz front grille is attached to the front in moonstone gray with black trims highlighting the logo and front grille. After this, the stainless steel entrance steps are nailed into place seamlessly. The bed of the truck is also adorned with stainless steel highlights and a lamp to illuminate the bed. Then, the maneuvering mechanism is placed in the middle of the bed to ensure that the trailer turns and moves with the truck's cabin. Aerodynamics also play a crucial role in the truck's design elements. Engineers use wind tunnel testing and computational fluid dynamic simulations to minimize the drag forces acting on the truck. Features like the streamlined front face, roof deflectors, and side fairings also contribute to a reduction in fuel consumption. Aerodynamics is a product of a number of design features put together. That is, the front grille directs airflow around the truck, which, as a result, reduces turbulence. The shape of the side fairings causes the airflow along both sides of the truck to smooth, whereas the roof deflectors channel the air over the top of the truck to minimize the drag. In addition, these elements work together in boosting fuel efficiency by up to 3%, thus ensuring substantial cost savings through the life of the truck while in operation. Additionally, the Actros Edition 2 features an optimized underbody design that further enhances aerodynamic performance. Skirts and diffusers are strategically placed to manage airflow beneath the truck, reducing drag and improving stability at high speeds. The stainless steel entrance steps and rear axle caps, with protective wheel nut caps, add another dash of style, as do the illuminated Mercedes three-pointed star with black aperture, decorative grille elements in dark chrome, and the darkened headlamp surround. Next, the interior is decorated with a silver nameplate mentioning that the truck is an Edition 2 and one of 400 produced. Finally, the internal lighting, buttons, and displays are tested to check if they are working properly and relaying the correct information about all elements of the truck. All 2- and 3-axle Actros variants with Gigaspace and Big Space cabs, whether left or right-hand drive, can be specified as an Edition 2. Cab paint can be tailored specifically to match an operator's corporate shade, while the front of the vehicle is always finished in moonstone gray metallic, making the truck instantly recognizable. With the new Actros Edition 2 starting to roll off the production lines and onto the roads, the legacy of innovation and excellence that defines it is clearly spelt out. This isn't an ordinary machine on wheels, but a statement of what can be turned out when cutting-edge technology, careful engineering, and a commitment to quality all come together in perfect harmony. It further invests in research and development to better the boundaries of possibilities regarding trucks. A German manufacturer reviews new technologies, such as autonomous driving systems and alternative powertrains, for more performance, safety, and sustainability in its trucks. The Actros Edition 2 is a huge step, but it's also part of a much greater journey toward a more advanced and sustainable future. Closer to the future, further development of electric and hydrogen fuel cell powertrains will be necessary for an environmental improvement in the vehicle fleet of Mercedes-Benz. Fully autonomous trucks capable of moving at any speed without human intervention while ensuring a high grade of safety and efficiency are also under development at the company. Such innovations are bound to revolutionize the trucking industry by overhauling current modes of transportation to be sustainable, efficient, and safe.